They don't tell you this, but most men struggling with erectile dysfunction don't actually have a performance issue, they have a blood flow issue. Poor circulation, stress, and nutrient deficiencies play a massive role, but the good news? You can fix it naturally. And here's the craziest part. Most of the expensive pills and treatments don't even address the root cause. Today, I'm going to show you a natural science-backed recipe that's packed with circulation-boosting nutrients to help improve blood flow, energy, and overall performance without a single pill or synthetic supplement. Plus, we'll break down exactly how each ingredient works so you understand why this actually makes a difference. Let's get into it. If you've ever felt frustrated, embarrassed, or just plain confused about why your body isn't responding the way you want it to, you're not alone. Erectile dysfunction affects millions of men, young and old. And while a lot of people assume it's just a getting older thing, the reality is your diet and lifestyle play a huge role in what's happening down there. What you eat, how you move, and the stress you carry daily all influence your body's ability to function optimally. Poor circulation, lack of essential nutrients, and even high cortisol levels due to stress can all be contributing factors. But the good news is that there are natural ways to address these issues and improve your body's response without expensive pills or risky procedures. In this video, we're not just talking about the problem, we're diving deep into the real causes of ED, how small but powerful changes in your daily routine can make a big impact, and of course one simple but highly effective beet nut shot recipe you can start using today. By the time we're done, you'll have the knowledge and tools to take back control, improve your circulation, and boost your overall performance naturally. And trust me, once you start making these changes, you're going to feel the difference, not just in the bedroom but in your energy, confidence, and overall well-being. So stick with me because this is something every man needs to hear. The good news? You can actually take back control with the right approach. In this video, we're talking about the real causes of ED, how to naturally improve blood flow, and the one powerful recipe you can start using today to support your performance. Stick with me, because by the end of this video you're going to have everything you need to make a real change. Here's the deal, your body is designed to function at its best when it gets the right fuel. But modern diets, they're working against you. Refined sugars, processed foods, lack of essential nutrients, these are all contributing to poor circulation, lower testosterone, and reduced nitric oxide production. And if you're not familiar with nitric oxide, it's the key molecule responsible for relaxing your blood vessels and improving circulation. If your levels are low, your blood flow suffers. And when blood flow suffers, well, you know the rest. So what's the solution? The answer isn't some quick fix supplement, it's about giving your body what it actually needs to function properly. And that's exactly what we're going to do today with this simple, nutrient-packed recipe. Alright, let's get into it. We're making a beet nut shot, a drink loaded with ingredients that directly support circulation, heart health, and blood vessel function. Alright, let's go over the ingredients you'll need for this nutrient-packed beet nut shot. First up, we have 1 small beet, peeled and chopped. Beets are rich in nitrates, which boost nitric oxide levels and improve blood flow. Next, you'll need a 1/4 cup of walnuts. Walnuts are packed with omega-3s and arginine, both of which are crucial for heart health and blood circulation. Then, add 1 teaspoon of watermelon seeds. Watermelon seeds are a natural source of citrulline, which helps dilate blood vessels. Don't forget a handful of fresh leafy greens. Leafy greens provide folates that support sexual health. You'll also need 1/2 cup of water, or more, depending on your desired consistency. And finally, a pinch of rock salt, cumin, and black pepper powder is optional for taste and additional health benefits. Now let's move on to the preparation steps. First, start by washing and chopping the beet into small pieces to make blending easier. Add the chopped beet, walnuts, watermelon seeds, and leafy greens into a blender. Pour in 1/2 cup of water. Add more if you prefer a thinner consistency. To enhance the flavor, you can add a pinch of rock salt, jeera, or black pepper powder. This is optional, but it can give your drink an extra kick. Blend everything together until you get a smooth, well-mixed drink. If you want to make it look extra good, garnish with a few watermelon seeds or a sprig of leafy greens. And that's it! You've got yourself a nutrient-packed beet nut shot that can do wonders for your blood flow and overall health. Now let's break down why this works and how these ingredients come together to actually support your performance. Beets are a natural nitric oxide booster, helping to relax and expand blood vessels. This allows more oxygen and nutrients to flow where they're needed. Walnuts contain arginine, which the body converts into nitric oxide, making it a double boost for circulation. Watermelon seeds provide citrulline, which is known to improve blood vessel dilation and support better endurance. Leafy greens help with overall cardiovascular health, ensuring your body is running optimally. When you bring all of these together, you're giving your body exactly what it needs to improve circulation, heart health, and overall sexual function, all without a single synthetic supplement. So there you have it, a simple but incredibly effective drink that can help improve blood flow and support your performance naturally. But let's be clear, this isn't a magic bullet. To get the best results, you need to pair it with a healthy lifestyle. That means regular exercise, even just walking 30 minutes a day can make a difference. A balanced diet, cut back on processed foods and add more whole foods, stress management. Chronic stress is one of the biggest silent killers when it comes to performance issues and better sleep. Your testosterone levels and recovery depend on it. Start making these small changes and incorporate this beet nut shot into your routine. Over time, you'll start seeing the difference, not just in your performance, but in your overall energy and confidence. Try this out and let me know how it works for you. And if you want more natural remedies like this, check out the next video here.